Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact phone number tied to your account. This avoids sending codes to the wrong line. Once done, open the service's Sign in Help and choose Recover by Phone. Make sure your device can receive SMS or calls. If you use a secondary number, pick it only if listed. Keep the phone nearby and charged because you will get a time-limited code. Proceed now and request the verification and wait for the incoming message or call. You will receive a numeric code by SMS or automated call. Type it exactly into the site or app field. If the code times out or shows invalid, request a new one and avoid rapid repeat attempts to prevent throttling. Once the code validates, you'll be asked to reset your password or confirm identity details. Follow prompts carefully and create a strong password. Make sure to update recovery options while logged in, so future recovery is smoother and more secure. After resetting your password, sign in on primary devices and review account settings. This prevents locks from other sessions. Once done, add an alternate phone or email and enable two-step verification to reduce future risk. If the phone number no longer works or you never received a code, use the service's account recovery form and supply proof, previous passwords, device details, or billing info, because support needs evidence of ownership. One key tip: document reference number.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.